Regăsit la un nou clip. N-am postat așa multe videoclipuri pe canal. Dar pe canalul trecut mi s-a șters. Acum fac al doilea videoclip. Reacționez la Garten of Bombay The Movie, Cartoon Animation. O să facem patru părți. O parte cu... Fiecare parte cu 15 minute. 15, 30, 45 și în ultima parte o să ne uităm la tot filmul. Haideți să începem.
Because, Captain Fiddles, this is our only hope at stopping him. Stopping who?
Până acum vedem că l-a aruncat, cred că în Givanu.
Super strong. Super strong?
Acum zice că e super puternic. Și-a luat bara.
That's super, Coach.
Animatronicul ăsta albastru deschis încă nu este oficial băgat în Banban. Garten of Banban. Haideți să continuăm.
To you. Right. Super Coach Pickles. Why did you turn us all into superheroes? What's this all about? It's a lot to explain right now, Captain Fiddles, but you have to trust me on this. This isn't just about you and I any longer, okay? This is about all of us here at Ban Ban's Kindergarten.
Am uitat să zic că nu pot să traduc în engleză. Dacă știți să traduceți. Să traduceți. Bravo for. Eu nu știu așa mult.
Our world may be in grave danger. Grave?
Acum zice că este periculos.
Can I do to help? Take this ray gun and go find the rest of our friends. Make some more superheroes.
Come on, just a little bit. Ouch, my mesoglea. That's gonna make for a nasty.
Ăsta e Stinger Flynn. Cine a jucat Garten of Banban 3, cred că îl știe. Sau dacă nu, cred că ați văzut pe YouTube.
Bruise. What the? Captain Fiddles?
That's super Captain Fiddles to you, Stinger Flynn.
Super Captain Fiddles? Oh, come on, that's just too many words for a name. By the way, how did you earn the rank of captain?
Enough! Now I know this is a lot of responsibility to put on you.
La început, în capitolul 1, a zis că ăsta, Stinger Flynn, că cu multe brațe poate ajuta foarte mulți, cu multe brațe poate ajuta mulți oameni în același timp. Dar pe el nu se poate ajuta. N-are logică.
But the world needs us, Stinger Flynn. So what do you say, huh? Will you answer the call?
Acum cred că
you
l-am
consider me super disinterested.
What in the world? Why, you little... Get back here!
I'm gonna make it! I'm gonna make it!
Le-a dat cu una în cap și acum a leșinat.
Definitely not good. My ectoderm. Now I'm gonna have two bruises. No, wait! Please, Captain Fiddles! There has to be another way!
If only there were, Stinger Flynn. If only there were.
What's happening to me? Hey, this is a pretty good look. I feel pretty limber. And
Acum l-a transformat pe ăsta în robot. Pe
Call it
Stinger
super
Flynn.
nice.
super nice?
Sorry, I don't know why I keep emphasizing the word super when I say things.
Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Now nothing will ever be out of my reach again.
Wise of you to fuel up, Stinger Flynn. The world is at stake, and without a team of superheroes, we could lose everything. Will you help us?
You know what? Yeah, I will. Let's do this thing.
Man, bugs are cool. This little guy can make an entire home for himself using only his butt. What the? Who's there? Stinger Flynn,
That's Super Stinger Flynn to you.
what are you doing here?
Because, Nab, Coach Pickles is forming a team of superheroes to help him save the world. You have no idea what's at stake, and we need all the help we can get.
Whoa, hold on now. Are you asking me to join this super team of yours or forcing me? Because I'd really like
Mă
to.
uit din când în când să văd.
Come on! Can't you give me more time than that?
There is no time.
Hey, Stinger Flynn, correct me if I'm wrong, but aren't you afraid of spiders?
I'm terrified. Why? What's that have to do with anything? Ah! A spider! Disgusting! Get it off! Get it off! Get it off! Yuck! I can still feel his legs on me. Now where the heck did he just... That's it. No more
looks like I can't go back the way I came. So here goes nothing.
Nu are logică. Dar măcar ăsta-l ajută. Dacă ăsta e păianjen. Dacă ăsta e păian. Ăsta e păianjen. Un păianjen. Ăsta se poate aprinde. Noroc de ăsta. De Stinger Flynn.
Hey, that's what superheroes do, don't they? And as for repaying me...
Wait, don't! I don't want that kind of responsibility!
Revenim imediat. Am revenit, era reclama.
Don't! I don't want that kind of responsibility! Hey, what have you done to me, Stinger? I even sent a web
Acum l-a
blast
transformat
so
și
I
pe
can swing
ăsta.
from them? This is amazing! I'm just like a spider! But Stinger Flynn, why did you do this to me?
Dacă nu mă știu, l-a transformat în Spider-Man. Cred. Că poate stătea cu pânză.
Going on?
I'm not totally sure, Nab, but I have a feeling Coach Pickles can explain better than I could. Come on, we've got to go catch up with the others.
I know you're all wondering why I've gathered you here today, Super Friends. And now I can reveal to you the threat I am looking to eliminate.
Nibbler?
That's right, Captain Fiddles. Nibbler.
Super Nibbler.
Up until this point, Nibbler's presence under Banban's care
Acum ai arată un alt target.
major problems. But recently that changed. Somehow, Nibbler's discovered that his underground confinement resides right next to the nuclear reactor that gave
Acum
us
au
all
un
these
plan.
superpowers. If he's able to break through that wall and get his hands on some of that nuclear core's energy,
But we can barely handle regular Nibbler. How would we ever take him down if he had superpowers?
exactly. Nibbler with superpowers would be an impossible foe to overcome. We have to stop him from getting to that reactor at all costs.
So what? Our mission is to sneak into the warehouse and secure the wall between Nibbler and the reactor?
That's right.
And what happens if Nibbler gets into the reactor room before we can secure it, huh?
Whoa, that is serious.
Yes, it is. Which is exactly why I need an elite team of superheroes.
Acum ai arată un plan ca să distrugă pământul, cred.
Super friends, let's go save the world.
Super prieteni. Ne ducem să salvăm lumea.
Not so fast,
Deci,
Nibbler.
deci mai pe scurt, ăsta vrea să distrugă lumea. Ăsta. Și ăștia încerc să-l oprească. Uitați.
To get to that
Tropa
reactor,
de show.
you're going to have to go through us, you understand?
I don't think he understands, Coach Pickles.
Then I guess we'll just have to work a little harder to get our point across to him. Super friends, attack!
Hold on to your lunch, big fella, because you're about to go for a spin.
Ăsta are abilitate ca să facă nu știu ce vârtej.
It's going to take
Sau
me at
ăsta
least
l-am
a minute.
vârtit.
Oh boy, come on, guys. Somebody needs to help me out here.
I've got you, Nab, don't worry.
E singurul care a observat că ăsta vorbește mai ciudat, Stinger Flynn, vorbește mai ca, este mai ca robot.
Almost got it patched up. Oh no, that's not good. What just happened?
Oh no, it looks like he's reached the reactor. We're too late.
Reactor breach! Reactor breach!
Coach Pickles, did you know about this alarm? Who set this off?
No, I didn't! Banban must have built it into the security system without us knowing.
Initiating reactor meltdown protocol in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Guys, I think it's going to blow.
Run!
Acum au dat cu nu știu ce
What
gă.
just happened? Did we stop him? Hey, look! We're all back to our normal selves!
Acum ăștia s-au transformat în
Looks like
oameni.
Nibbler's lost his chance to get at the reactor core.
Woohoo! Super friends for the win. High fives all around.
I have to jump before.
Știți scena cu Tamataki? Acum face scena asta, Ban.
Seems like I've underestimated my own creation. Ew, oh my god, this is disgusting. Why is it so sticky?
It's no use trying to free yourself, Ban. Kamataki has you cornered.
Good luck running from us now!
Kamataki's not messing around.
Please, boys, you're overreacting. Think of what you were before.
What we were before?
Acum ăsta l-a prins cu salivă pe Ban. Tamataki.
I used to be a normal turtle. I was
Și acum îi zice istoria.
And since I hatched, I was kept in the back room of a reptile collector. I spent my days isolated from the other animals in a plastic bin. I never even got to meet my brothers and sisters.
De zice cum era
Freedom,
o simplă
see,
broască
for a
testoasă.
turtle, I was exceptionally smart. My genius was far too
Pun pariu că cineva a luat broasca testoasă și a dat-o cu Giovanni.
fast to be contained in a plastic top. And even if I
Dacă am dreptate, trebuie să dați subscribe. Și dacă nu am dreptate, trebuie să dați like.
couldn't have freedom, maybe at least some company.
And his wish was granted in the form of me. Hi there. Oh my, it's been so long since I've seen anyone other than the hand that feeds me.
Hey, look what I can do.
Even though I was sad to see him trapped in the same fate as me, it was nice to have a friend.
Also, check this out. I can climb.
So, how long have you been here? Since I was born. What? That's crazy. Were
Ăsta
you
este
not
un
born
cameleon.
here? Nope. I was just hanging out in a tree and then swoop. Now I'm here.
Matei, tu ce faci aici?
Anyways,
N-am.
when do we get out of here? We don't.
O să fac,
This is where you live now.
o să închid și videoul viitor,
Just have to accept that
că am
this is
uitat să
all
vă
you
zic
are.
că am
None of us can
excursie.
reach this
Nu
latch.
excursie,
Wait, it's
doamne.
too far.
Merg undeva. Like și subscribe pentru partea a doua. La 10.000 de like-uri o să postez și partea a doua. La revedere!